Hi everyone, I welcome you all for this Nursing Wisdom channel. Today we are going to see about Pinhead Fetal Stethoscope. Description: Pinhead Fetal Stethoscope is otherwise called as Pinhead horn. Pinhead horn was invented by Dr. Adolphe Pinhead, a French obstetrician. It is a hollow horn, cone shaped. It is about 8 inches long, often made of wood or metal, mostly with aluminium. Pinhead horn is more economic. It functions similarly to an ear trumpet by amplifying sound. Pinhead horn continues to be used around the world, particularly by midwives, nurses, and doctors. Next, parts of Pinhead stethoscope. It has two parts: oral end or narrow end, abdominal end or wider end. The user holds the abdominal end or wider end of the horn against the pregnant woman's abdomen and listens through the oral end or narrow end. Next, uses of Pinhead stethoscope used to listen heart rate of during pregnancy. Pinhead horn may be used to determine the position of the fetus because Pinhead horn must be pressed to a location very close to the fetal heart in order to detect heart rate, that providing a more accurate indication of fetal position. Next, what are the things we need to remember while using Pinhead stethoscope? It should be held firmly at right angle to the abdominal wall. The ear must be held firmly close to the oral end. It should not be touched by hand while listening. Earliest, at what weeks fetal heart sound could be detected with a Pinhead stethoscope? With a Pinhead horn, fetus heart rate can be detected between 18 to 20 weeks. The sounds resembles the tick of a watch under a pillow. Its location varies with the position of the fetus. The rate varies from 140 to 160 beats per minute but gradually settles down to 120 to 140 beats per minute as the pregnancy advances. What are the different sites where maximum intensity of fetus heart sound is obtained in relation to fetal presentation and position? The maximum intensity of the FHS is below the umbilicus in cephalic presentation and around the umbilicus in breech presentation. In different position of the vertex, the location of the fetal heart sound depends on the position of the back and the degree of descent of the head. What are all the clinical conditions where the fetal heart sound may not be audible? Fetal heart sound may not be audible in cases of maternal obesity, polyhydramnios, occipito-posterior position, and certainly IUFD, that means intrauterine fetal death. I hope you will be able to understand about Pinhead fetal stethoscope. Thanks for watching.